With years of downfall and misutilization of individuals' faith of individuals, Lift MLM was born to restore the lost finances of individuals who are victims of MLM scams. With years of research and approaching local authorities, and made Lift MLM an trusted source to recover what is lost and slowly eradicate the existence of fraudulent companies.
Hey there, it's a shame that the world had come to a state where there is a need for a company like us to be born. Billions globally has faced immense loss to the firms promising high profits in a short period of time. Hi, I'm Dan Amstead, founder of Lift MLM, here to bring a change in today's society by reaching out to the victims of multi-level marketing scams and helping them recover their losses with the help of the national federations. Lift MLM's teams of investigators, trackers, traders, and strategists study your profile and work on recovering invested capital as per your portfolio. We have so far helped over 10 million people regain their savings and stabilize their lives.
Hi, I'm Scarlett Simon, Head of Customer Support Team. We are here to help understand the stance of the victims of MLM scams and direct them on how they can move forward to recover their losses from fraudulent companies. Our team is trained to be genuine in approaching heartfelt incidences of individuals, comfort them, and assure the individual that we will do all that we can to recover the funds they have lost.
Hi, I'm Philip Oscar, Head of Research and Strategy. Our team of experts, strategists, and trackers hound reported fraudulent companies and work on recovering losses that individuals have incurred. We are equipped with top-end technology and global database, which makes Lift MLM an efficient and trusted partner.
Hi, I'm Mike Jofes, Officer of the National Federation. We play a crucial role in the success of Lift MLM. Our team collaborates with local authorities and organizations of other nations as a backing to help us track fraudulent companies. So, irrespective of which country the company belongs to, we put in all our resources to triumph and recover individual loss.
Our aim is to uplift every individual who had been a victim of fraudulent companies and help recover their funds to stabilize their life. We grow by helping one another in society, so help yourself and others who have been a victim of such a scam. Reach out to us now for a better tomorrow with a simple sign up on our website www.liftmlm.com.